Here's some smart hacks you can use effectively around your home. No more draughts. Check out how you can make handy disposable wipes using a roll of toilet paper and a container with a straw hole in the lid. Perfect for keeping in the car. Don't throw away an empty wet wipes packet. You can reuse the plastic seal to hang up small towels in the bathroom. It looks designed for this purpose. If you don't have a cake stand, you can make one with a bowl and a plate. Beautiful! You don't need an easel to display your photos and pictures. 2 pegs are sufficient. Ingenious! Clothes dryer sheets aren't just useful for the laundry, you can also use them to clean dirty baking trays. As good as new. Don't cut off label cords. Remove the cord like this, and you can reuse it for many different purposes. For example, to keep your keys in a bunch. When you need to shell dried nuts, use 2 bowls to keep the shells separated. Handy. To reorganize your closet, you only need a few cable ties. A great space-saving solution. A simple idea for folding napkins so that they are beautiful to behold and convenient to use. Perfect for when you have guests in your home.